Hello everyone, this short instructional video is going to walk you through how to create, upload and submit oracy assessments or oracy tasks on Teams. So there are two ways to do this. So first off, let's look at basically you're going to submit the following things for an assessment usually. Now your teacher, this instructional video is going to be used across several different lessons for several different topics and several different year groups. So go on whatever instruction your teacher has given you, but 9 times out of 10 you're going to need to submit the following things if it is an oracy assessment. We want you to upload a typed up final version of your script. Now, preferably we'd like this done in Word wherever possible, but any software you choose will do. So you might decide to type it up over a couple of slides in PowerPoint, whatever suits you, but preferably in Word. You're also then going to need to upload and submit the PowerPoint that goes with your oracy presentation, that if we were delivering in class, this is what you would put on the board behind you. And finally, audio of you reading your script as if you were presenting it in class. Now, what you need to remember, even though you're recording this and uploading it electronically rather than presenting in person, is if this is an assessment piece, we're listening for how well you actually present. Do you sound confident? Is it quite monotone, or are you varying the tone of your voice? That's called intonation. So you're still going to want to know your script pretty well so that your speech flows and sounds confident, and that will improve your marks. Now, the audio side of things, there's two ways to submit this. The first way is by adding voice clips to your PowerPoint. Now, this works fine across most devices, particularly laptops. So if you're able to do this, I'd say it's probably the most straightforward way of doing things. And what you'll end up with is your PowerPoint presentation, voice notes attached to each slide, and your typed up version of your script. So you'll then have two documents to upload because the audio will be embedded in the PowerPoint. Now, if your device doesn't allow you to do this, the other way to do it is to record yourself using your phone. You don't have to have your face on screen. You could have your phone pointed at the wall if you want. Or say your presentation is on your laptop or on a tablet, you could record the screen of that device with your phone whilst you speak in the background. And what you would then do with that recording on your phone is upload it directly through Teams using your phone. So you're going to need to download the app for this option. Now I'm going to walk you through both of these options, and hopefully one of the two will suit you. If you're still having problems, drop your teacher an email. So the first way to do things is adding voice clips to your PowerPoint. Now, I'm going to use the Year 8 mining oracy assessment as an example to walk you through how to add a voice clip to a PowerPoint slide. Year 9, yours will be based on redeveloping a favela. But if I just end the show a minute so that you can see this slide that I'm working on as an example. So all you need to do to add a voice clip to a slide is click on Insert up here. Go to Insert Audio, click that little drop down arrow. Now you can insert audio on your PC. And all you would need to do is find the audio documents. Now, if you're feeling particularly snazzy and you're quite tech savvy, you could always download the News at 10 intro. You could download a song of some sort. If you want to put a music intro onto your PowerPoint, you can do, because you can upload audio clips from your actual computer. So you need to download and save them first. But when it comes to your presentation, you're going to need to record audio. So the idea here is for each slide, you record what you want to say, and it automatically attaches to the slide itself. So when you click record audio, title the audio for the slide. So I might put in here, slide 1 intro audio. You would then click on here, and it will start timing, and you literally just say whatever you want to say over the slide. So for example, hello and welcome to my PowerPoint presentation about the Sengenith mining disaster. Firstly, I'm going to tell you where and when it happened, and then the presentation will move on to covering the causes, the effects on people and the community, and finally, how the community attempted to recover from this disaster. Once you've finished recording what you want to say over that slide, you just click OK, and this little icon will appear. You can put it anywhere on the slide that you like. And when you click on it, and it will start timing, and you literally just say whatever you want to say over the slide. So for example, what it is you've recorded now. If you're not happy with it, you can just click on it to select it and delete it and just re-record. Okay, so you would do that for each slide of your PowerPoint. Now you can add more than one recording per slide. So this would apply if, say, you've got different bits of information coming up with animations, so they're revealed at different stages on the same slide. So you could put an audio clip for each animation as it loads through your PowerPoint. Do not put like 10 bullet points on a slide and record 10 individual audio clips. That's not really what we want. You could just talk and reveal as you go. So it's probably the most straightforward way, but if your device doesn't let you do this, then you're going to need to do the Teams option that I was talking about. So let me just return to from current slide. Okay, so if you've done it this way, you'll have your Word document script and you'll have your PowerPoint with the audio embedded. You upload those two documents to the Assignments tab on Teams. If you can't do it that way, what you'll need to do is on your phone or tablet, go to the App Store and search for Teams. This is the icon you're looking for and you want to download the app. It's free and you log in and sign up using your hub email details. What you would then do, so these screenshots are from an example on my phone. So you would, once you open the Teams app on your phone or tablet, you would click on More down here in the bottom and then you would click on Teams. Once you're into your Teams page, all of your classes, the teams for each class will be listed here. Whatever team class it is that you need to submit the assignment to, you want to look for where it says General underneath the team and click on that. That then takes you into the General Teams page for that class. So you can see here's an example of my Year 10 teams that I was chatting in this morning. And what you want to do is you want to click on More at the top here. That More tab at the top takes you into other things that you're able to do, and you want to click on Assignments. Okay, once you're in Assignments, it looks like this. Now, this is just a test assignment, so it won't actually say this exact text. All right, it'll probably say for Year 8, it might say Oracy Year 8 Mining Disaster Assessment. For Year 9, it might say Favela Assessment, but there'll be the title of the assessment here for you to click on. You go into the assessment that you need to upload your documents to, and you just click on Add Work. Now, once you click on Add Work, you will see this screen, okay? And it allows you to add work from various different places. Upload from this device is what you want to do. When you click or hover over Upload from this device, it will give you these options. Now, option 1, you can upload from your photo library. Now, what you might have done is already recorded yourself talking on your phone with it either pointed at a wall or pointed at your PowerPoint on another device. You can point it at yourself if you wish, but actually I'd rather you didn't because that does give us some data protection issues. So in fact, don't actually record yourself here is preferable. So you can then, it would obviously save to your camera roll. So you can go into Photo Library and upload from your photo library the recording of you speaking about your PowerPoint presentation. Alternatively, what you can do is record and upload directly by clicking Take Photo or Video. It would then access your camera device on your phone. You would select Video and you would record yourself speaking, either pointed at the wall, pointed at your PowerPoint, pointed at whatever, and you can then save and upload directly to Teams. So you either have gone through the audio clip embedded in the PowerPoint route, in which case you'll be submitting your script and your PowerPoint with the audio embedded, 2 documents. Or if your device doesn't let you embed the audio within your PowerPoint, then you'll have gone down this route. So you'll have 3 files to upload. We want to see your Word typed up script, your PowerPoint presentation, and your separate audio file of you recording yourself talking about your presentation. You don't have to learn your script off by heart. You can read it from your book, but always bear in mind, we want to hear confidence. We want to hear a varied tone of voice, lots of key terms, really well explained points. That is the way to get high marks. Do not just read off the PowerPoint. The PowerPoint is supposed to be a skeleton full of pictures and just the core points that your script then elaborates on and tells us all about those things in more detail. So, best of luck. If you get stuck at all, email your teacher or chat to them on Teams during the lesson segment, and hopefully we will see your assessments uploaded to the Teams Assignments tab very soon.